Ladies and gentlemen, I'm in a bit of a quandary. You see, for tonight's main event, I was gonna have Scrapyard Dog defend his heavyweight championship against the standing ovation Michael Mosley. I was gonna ban everyone from ringside, and finally we were going to find out who was the better man. Who was the true champion? But Mr. Mosley is not here this evening, and that's all right. He has a well-deserved night off tonight. But that leaves you, Scrappy. Seems to me you must be feeling very lucky. You've escaped not once, but twice have you escaped Michael Mosley. The first night the lights went out, you were a whisper away from losing your title belt. Then, last time, you were beaten 1, 2, 3. However, then Commissioner Manson had made it a non-title match at the last minute. So, you must be feeling very lucky. Very lucky indeed, because tonight Mike Mosley is not in the arena. But you're not lucky at all, Scrap, because you got yourself a new commissioner. And instead of giving you the night off because you don't deserve it, I'm giving you a main event match against the Man Called Hess. Now, Hess, don't think I'm doing you any favors. You see, the Scrapyard Dog wants to take a bite out of you. And don't think I haven't forgotten how you got yourself into this situation, Hess. You betrayed your friends. Yeah, well, they may have been bad guys, but still. Still, you haven't convinced me yet. That's why I've given you what you wanted, Hess. This is your opportunity to prove yourself to Sanford, North Carolina, and to prove yourself to me. Because at the end of the day, I don't care if Scrapyard Dog chews you up and spits you out. And I don't care if Scrapyard Dog chokes on the meal he's been given. Because Sanford, North Carolina, my cardies, in case you didn't know, Scrapyard Dog versus Hess in the main event? That psycho